and welcome back to the A+oic. I'm glad having you back, and I hope you are also happy. Right? We sent the first 3 videos, and I'm sure and I'm confident you've watched and you understand where we are heading to. So in today's video, I'm not going to waste much of your time. I'm going to take you through what we call the hybrid assessment. Right? So when I say hybrid assessment, what do I mean? Let's hop on to it and then you see what I mean. Right? So we still go to academic core, academic hub. So we have hybrid exams. Yes, hybrid exams. So you can see it has been written combined theory, practical. Right? So here you have section A like you do in the exams, section B theory, section C practical, just like a full exams. So in case we are taking our exams to a full scale, technology based, this is what we'll be doing. So you are going to do your section A with a computer, section B with a computer, section C, that is the practical, with a computer without writing on a paper. So this is what we call the hybrid assessment or the hybrid exams. So let's hop on. There is one assignment here. Let's hop on. So this is how it looks. So this is like an end of here home link. You won't see this, as I told you, you won't see this for now. From next week you'll be seeing plenty of them. Alright, so don't worry at all. This is just a test system that I'm using. So I click on start assessment, read the instructions, and then I understand, and then let's proceed. So it has started. So that is it. So you can see it says for section A, that is the theory, right? Section B is just the practical that I place in there. So you can just click on start attempt here. Start attempt. So start attempt. Yeah, start now. Yeah, so we come in here. Don't worry. I just want just show it to you. So let me just skip and skip and skip. Right? I'll skip, and so let me just pick anything. Let me say we are done. Let's say we are done. Let's submit. Alright, section A. Let's submit section A. So immediately you submit. Now it opens the portal automatically for you to start the session B. Right? So automatically it opens for you to start session B. So when we click on start practical work, and then it opens. So this was Scratch project I actually embedded. Right? It says create a project that makes a sprite move when the space key is pressed. So we have to do that. So remember that I told you every time we'll be using the new tab, right? So let's click on the new tab. So I click on the new tab, and then it opens our Scratch interface. So we have our sprite, right? We have our sprite. So let's write. Okay, it says we should, let me go back, create a project that makes a sprite move when the space key is pressed. Right, that is the question. So let me pick an event. Okay, an event which is when space, right, is clicked, and I go back to motion, as you know we did. So I'll pick this, I'll put it here. Maybe let me make this one 100. Right, so here I don't have to click on when the green flag is clicked, right? I don't have to click on this. I just have to click the space bar. Okay, so see something, space bar. Can you see? You heard the sound of my keyboard. Can you hear that? Yes, it start working. So after you are done with this, you can see there is a button here. It says save to your computer. Okay, or we can go to file like this and do that. Right? So we can save to your computer, and then let me pick somewhere. Okay, let me see. Let me save it and downloads. So I want you to just leave the .sb3, leave the .sb3, leave this ones, only claim the project. Okay, so let me delete this one. Right, maybe let me write a free year. Right, this is a free year. So look at it. I left the .sb3. Right, I left the .sb3. Look at it again. Right, let me show it to you. You can see I left the .sb3. Right, so after just click on save, and now I can go back. Right, and I'll come to click on upload your Scratch project file again. So I click on this, and now let me go to downloads. So you see the file, it is showing as scratch, right? So I click on this, and then I click on open. It is uploaded. Okay, oops, it is uploaded. File uploaded successfully, right? So I just have to finish radical. You can see finish radical here, right? Finish radical, right? So on top here you can see ready to submit, but you have to click on finish radical. So finish radical, it has been submitted, right? Yes, remember I did only section A, one question, and I have it correct, but section B says grading pending, because the teacher has to look at what you've done. If you did what exactly the question was demanding, before you come back you see the grade. Okay, so that is that for the hybrid, right? So yes, when you should come back to see this, okay, come back to see the original score, right? So this is what we call the hybrid assessment or the hybrid exams. You can do your section A, section B practicals all at the same time on the A+oic. Isn't that interesting and amazing? Of course, yes. And I'm sure you are going to enjoy this, right? So we've looked at the assessment, assignment, practical lab, hybrid exams. So the last of them all that we'll be coming to look at will be the learning lab. So I'll take you through the learning lab, and then you understand and appreciate what we have in there. Until we meet again in the next video, this is the A+oic. Don't forget to leave a comment or to like this video. In case you don't understand anything, just put in your queries in the comment section, or as I always say, you meet me in school, you can meet me in class as well. You ask and then I help you with everything. Okay, so see ya, bye bye.